Hi, this is SloMo, a motor control panel which guides are forward, reverse, and stop. It can also accelerate the motor from a preset idle speed when triggered by a sensor. This feature can be used to save energy on a pump farm, conveyor belt, or when they are not required on full power. To demonstrate, we have shown a dummy flow switch sensor. This could be connected to a flow switch proximity sensor to control the speed of the motor. There is also 24 volt available for a 3 or 4 wire sensor, red and black terminals. We will now demonstrate by starting the motor and selecting a idle speed, anything from 0 to 50 Hz using this potentiometer. In this case, we're gonna set it to 25 Hz, half a speed. We are using this dummy flow switch as a demonstration sensor. When activated, the motor goes up to full speed. In this case, the motor speed stays at full speed for 10 seconds. This could be, for example, the journey time of escalator or a conveyor belt, or flow rate of a water in a pipe. Energy saving could be up to 40% during the idling phase. This particular design is for a 0.4 kilowatt motor shown here, but Collectric can create for any size of motor to meet your needs. Go to collectric.co.uk.